Welcome back, everybody. Today on Freeze Dried Future, as you can see, we're out camping and having a nice time. But I'm going to do some spaghetti that I freeze dried on the 6th of January this year. And we're going to give her a taste test and see. It was done with an 80-20 ground beef, so it was never meant for long-term storage. But we're going to try it out today and see how we do. So, everything's sealed up, not, oh shoot, sealed up good. Get that all open. And let's pop that bag. I need to get out the oxygen absorber and stuff. And there we go, that's all of them. Alright, I got about, maybe a cup of water here already boiling. We're going to go ahead and add that to our spaghetti. Let's start with a little less than a cup. Yeah, we're going to need the whole one. So we're going to dump the rest. About a cup, give or take. And if you're like me, everything needs more pepper. But we're just going to add a couple of good shakes there, more than I wanted, but that's alright, we'll eat it. So, we're going to make sure everything's hydrated. Kind of move that bag up and down. And it is hot, I'm going to tell you that. Alright, let's let that sit. I'm going to leave it for, around 5 to 7, 8 minutes. Well, hi, are you going to help me with it? Here's my boy, Mythos. He's my little baby. He's out helping Dad camp this weekend. Aren't we? Yes. He thinks that spaghetti is his. And he'll probably get a bite at the end. I don't know yet. So, I'll be back in about anywhere from 6 to 7, 10 minutes. And we'll give this a try.